Alright guys, welcome back to this brief bi-weekly stock portfolio update on public.com. If you'd like to catch up on what's been going on, I highly recommend that you go down to my stock portfolio playlist and watch the previous videos to see what I did last time. And before we get started, if you'd like to get involved in this stock investing adventure, go ahead and use the link down below in the description. And after you sign up, you'll be able to do two things. You'll get one fractional share of a stock, and you'll also be able to see what stocks I'm holding and purchasing in my account. All right, so since the last time I invested, my account has gone up slightly. And as you can see here, right here is where I invested the $300. And as you can see, as the days went on, the price went up. And today we have a down day, but that's fine. I'm down $9.47 right now. But overall, you can see that my trajectory has been up. So I started with $1,000, and as I mentioned before, I got a fractional share of $8 for Amazon. So that's why it says 1,008. And from then on, I started investing $300. As I mentioned before, if you have no idea what I'm doing, check out my previous videos. It'll be much more helpful. And I let this ride out. I didn't invest anything until January 3rd, which is right here. And we are up slightly. And since January 3rd, I have received some dividend payment, which is awesome. So I have $15.90 in my account right now. My account at this moment is worth $34.93 and 85 cents. I'm currently down a total of 12.92% or $518.29, which hurts, but that's okay because a lot of, as you can see here, a lot of my investments are monthly dividend stocks. So regardless of the price, I'm still getting paid out, which is really nice. And so this is where I'm at right now. I just wanted to give you guys a brief update to show you where I'm at. And the next time I invest in this account will be February, the first week, sometime there. And that'll be $300 because that's what I've been doing, $300 every single month. And then on top of that, I'm going to be reinvesting the $15.90, and hopefully it'll be much more by the time that I reinvest. So it'll be $300 and let's say $20. So stay tuned, and once again, please, if you'd like to, go ahead and start your stock portfolio today. All right, guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you all in the next video.